Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to build a simple version of Beijing National Stadium model. It has a nickname for this building, Fortnite. It's very interesting form and shape, right? And it's made by stainless steel structure. Okay, let's open the file. This image is showing the main structure of the bird nest. Let's have a look how to do this model. First, we draw these lines and find the ellipse comment. Draw your lines like this. Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, copy and paste. And hold Shift command on your keyboard and we can drag this green button, change it to bigger shape. Oh, and then copy and paste. We need another one. Hold your Shift command, drag your green button, make a smaller one. And then let us have a look at our model. You can find there is a slope, right? An angle slope. And how can we do it? Let's head these models and lines. Go to the right view and click disable. And then we draw another line. Draw a sloped line like this. Press enter. There is another comment named curve to view. We input the curve to view in our comment bar. Curve to view. Press enter. This is our first line, and this is our second line. The curve, right? With your comment bar. Select second curve. This one, and go back to our perspective view. You will find we made a curved line. Right? There is a slope. Let us delete this one and this one. Right click to show your objects. Cool, we finished our lines. The next step is using loft command to create surface. Let's click loft. Click the loft command and select the lines in sequence. First one, second one, and third one. And press enter. Enter. Okay. Select the surface and display the answer curve. It is a clean surface now. Go to the Go State mode and go back to the top view. Click Disable the All-Snap option and then draw our lines. The lines is for the structure. Okay. And use offside curve, just offside, and maybe 0.7. Okay. And then we are going to learn the first command today. The every along curve command. Every along curve. Select patch curve. This one. Okay. It shows me the numbers of atoms. We want 15. Okay. And we select all of them, all of the lines. And then we do the second command that we are learning today, named project curve. We select it. And in the command bar, you will say, select the poly surface and meshes to both project on. We select this surface and press enter. You still left the original lines. It's not good. So we delete this one and redo it. Select all the lines and project curves. and then select the surface. There are many options, and we just click delete input lines and press enter. The original lines disappeared. Now, right comment we are learning today is trim. This one. Click it, and we trim the surface. Let's go to the blue mode, and we just trim the surface. Trim it, trim all of them, and keep the structure surface. Okay, if you trim a wrong one, you can undo it. Then trim the others. Okay, trim it. Cool. Basically, I have trimmed all of the surface from the top view already. Let's go to the perspective view and double check it. Maybe you can select the blue mode, looks better, and trim the part you can't see from the top view and the bottom part. Let's check it. I think now I have trimmed all of them. The next command we are learning is select curves. Go to these options and select curves. Ctrl plus left command on your mouse, you can unselect the curve, and then we delete all the other curves. Delete those curves too. Or you can use this option and hide the curves. And then we select all the surface and input offside surface. The distance is 5 now, it's too thick, I think. So we just input maybe 0.3. Press OK. Okay, so we make our bird's nest steel structure. Okay, guys, practice it. And let's say what we learned today. The first one is loft, right? Loft command, yeah. The second step is every along curve. Second one. And the third one is project curve.